In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, attach, and link files in Google Sheets using Filedrop. If you manage receipts, reports, or reference images in Sheets, Filedrop makes it easy to keep everything in one place without hunting through Drive. I'll walk you through installing the add-on, launching it, uploading files one at a time or in bulk, and choosing the best way to display images. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want to work. At the top, click Extensions, select Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Filedrop, open the listing and click Install. You may be asked to grant permissions. Go ahead and confirm. When installation completes, return to your spreadsheet. Next, launch the tool. Go to Extensions again. Hover over Filedrop and choose Start Filedrop. A handy sidebar will appear on the right side of your sheet. This is where you'll upload files and control how images are inserted. Before uploading, click the exact cell where you want the link to appear. Filedrop always targets the currently selected cell, so set your cursor first. In the sidebar, you can drag and drop your files directly into the upload area or click to browse your computer. PDFs, XLXS spreadsheets, zip archives, and common image formats are supported. You can add a single file or select multiple files to upload in one go. If you plan to add several, it helps to start in a clear area of the sheet so your links stay organized. After the upload finishes, Filedrop automatically saves each file into a folder named Filedrop in your Google Drive. At the same time, it inserts a clickable link in the selected cell, using the file's name as the link text. Click that link anytime to open the file in Drive. If you place the link in the wrong spot, cut and paste it to the correct cell. Keep in mind that your sheet now acts like a catalog, so your team can find documents quickly without leaving the spreadsheet. For images, you have extra flexibility. You can insert them as a simple link, place the image over cells so it floats above your grid, or insert the image inside a cell with custom sizing. Choosing an in-face cell image keeps layouts tight and aligned with your data. Adjust the column width or row height, or use the custom size option to fine-tune the fit. That's all you need to start inserting, attaching, and linking files in Google Sheets with Filedrop. Thanks for watching.